Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. We hope you all are safe from pandemic coronavirus. We have the idea that you are missing your school. Inshallah, it will open soon. Till then, we will learn through virtual classes. Wash your hand time and again. Stay home. Stay safe. Okay. Move toward our unit number 1, and our unit number 1 is, let's have a look on our unit number 1, and this is on your page number 6. Now students, have a look on the name of your unit, the title of your unit. Here is Roger's bow and arrow. Roger's bow and arrow. Now students, let's start reading of our unit. Basically, as the name suggests, this story is about Roger. And Roger, who is a Roger? Roger is a boy. The name of this boy is Roger. Bow. Here it is a bow. This bow is of Roger, and arrow. And this bow has an arrow. Now, let's move toward the reading of our unit. Number 1. Roger's gran had a pear tree. Here, she is Roger's gran. Gran means grandmother, and she has a pear tree, and it is a pear tree. Now, let's move toward next line. Roger's gran had a pear tree that grew right alongside the wall of her house. This tree grew right along the side of wall of her house. Sometimes when Roger stayed with his gran, if the fruit was ready. If the fruit, which fruit? Pear. If the fruit was ready, he would lean out of the bedroom window and pick a juicy ripe pear. Lean out means nikal jana. He would lean out of the bedroom window and pick that ripe pear. Don't forget, said Rogers, every autumn grans and not supposed to climb ladder. It's far too dangerous. I will pick the pear for you. Now, Roger said that in every autumn he will pick the pear for his granny. Very well, said the gran with sigh, because she loved climbing ladders, but she wouldn't, because gran is very old, so she wouldn't climb the ladders. Ladders means seediyan, and grans always keep their promises. Why do the biggest and best pear grow on the end of the branches where no one can reach them? Gran asked Roger as they were picking the fruit. When the gran picking the fruit, he asked to the Roger that why do the biggest and best pear grow on the end of the tree? I can't reach them from a ladder or from the bedroom window, said Roger, looking puzzled. But I know how can, and he ran indoors. He thought that how can I reach that pear? So after that he puzzled and he thought something and ran indoors. What on earth are you doing? What on earth are you going to shoot with that bow and arrow? Now Roger take a bow and arrow. Gran guessed, not me, I hope, and she laughed. Now Roger had tried Tied means बांध देना a string to each of his arrow. Have a look on this arrow. He tied it with a string which had little sucker in the end, and this arrow has a little sucker in the end instead of sharp tips. And you all know that arrow has a sharp tip, but this arrow has a little sucker at this end. Every time he hit a pear, when Roger hit a pear, Roger gave the string and quick tug. He gave the string and quick tug, and the fruit fell into Grant's outstretched apron. Here is the Grant's, and it is her apron. And when the Roger gave the string quick tug, जोर से खींचना. When the Roger gave the string quick tug, जब Roger धागे को जोर से खींचता था, the fruit will fall down in the apron of Grant's. Right on target, cried Rogers. Right on loft, his Grant. Right on target, क्या मेरा निशाना ठीक है? Cried Roger. Cried means speak in a very loud voice, just like we say that चीखना. Right on, बिल्कुल ठीक. Loft, हंसना. His Grant laughed. Very well. And here is your story. So student, it is your story and it is your unit number 1. In this story you know that this story is about Roger's bow and arrow, and he used his bow to pick this pear from this tree, and this tree belonged to Roger's Grant, and he used an arrow with a sucker. This is a little sucker who sucked the pear. After that, Roger, just like this Roger stretched the string of this bow, of this arrow. After that, this pear fell down in the apron of Grant, and it is a great trick to pick these pears that are very far away, and these are very up. Let's move toward dictation. Our first word is WIN, win, DOW, dough, window. Second word is LADDER, ladder. Third word is PRO, MISE, maze, promise. Branches, BRANCHES, branches. Fifth word is dangerous, DANGER, danger, OUS, dangerous. Sixth word is puzzled, PUZZLED, puzzled. Suckers, SUCK, suck, ERS, suckers. Next word is apron, APRON, run, apron. Outstretched, OUT, out, stretched, STRETCH, stretch. By putting ED, it would become outstretched. And the 10th word, our last word, is GRAN, GRAN, GRAN. So dear students, note all these dictation words on your notebook and learn all the spellings of this word by your heart. So my dear students, today we have completed the reading of our unit number 1, Roger's bow and arrow. After that, we have also written the different dictation words. Now my dear student, it's all about today's class. Complete all the tasks that are assigned to you in 2 days and share the picture of your homework on school WhatsApp number. This is all about today's class. Till then, take care, stay safe, stay home, stay safe. Till then, Allah Hafiz.